Okay, today I got this from Daiso Stapleless stapler. So very unique stapler without the iron stapler. So operate is the same like a normal stapler. Prepare the paper and then insert to the opening, press and handle gracefully, and goes all the way down. Lay out the handle and gently remove the paper. If all the paper becomes stuck inside the stapler, please open the backside cover to remove it. So basically, if there's no paper stuck, you don't need to open it. So how it works, right? It's everything almost plastic. So if stuck, then remove this cover. Okay, I'll few sample this. I got two paper here. Hopefully I can do it. One hand is a bit difficult. Because I don't have a tripod currently, so I use this method. So once it's done like that, so the paper look like that. So you make a hole. At the same time, the other second paper is go inside here. You can see that. So basically it's done. So this is how you stapler without iron stapler. But of course it's not strong compared to the thing because it's holding with the paper. You can tap off easily like that. So this thing so let's try again like this. Okay, this is fail. So is if you perfectly, you can make it two at the same time, like this also. The price of this is also always the same price, which is this one, $5.90. Right. So yeah, this is how it look. It's good for the quick without using the stapler, just a stapler. So you can see here. It push down. The only problem is pressing this. This is a bit hard. The spring. The spring is very hard. Alright, thank you. That's about it.